If you're watching this video, you're probably using Aniwatch to stream your favorite anime. And maybe you want to change the language settings, whether you want to switch the interface language or adjust subtitle preferences. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language on Aniwatch. First up, open Aniwatch on your device. You can use it on a browser or through the app. Now to change the language, we need to find the settings menu. In most cases, you'll see a gear icon or a profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now that we're in the settings menu, look for a section labeled something like language, display settings or interface language. Now this is where you can change the language of the entire Aniwatch interface. Now if you can't find it, you can also tap on the anime that you want to watch. Tap on watch now. Now as you open the video, you can find the CC option, tap on it. Here you can find subtitle settings and you can choose your preferred language. And once you've saved it, simply be sure to save it, and that's it. This is how you successfully change the language settings on Aniwatch.